Hello, everyone. In this episode, we're going to look at a couple of applications. One that's an application you install on your computer, and one that's a web-based application. And I'll show you where you can find, or for these specific applications, where you can find information about cross-platform support. And what I mean by that is cross-operating system support, and also its ability to be accessed via the web. So the first application that I want to cover is called Evernote. It's a great note-taking tool, a great place to archive information, archive PDFs, those kinds of things to make them very searchable and retrievable, um, and just a great all-around tool and for organizing information. So on the Evernote website, on the main web page, if we scroll down to the bottom, they have a link for products. This is where we can get information about all the products that they support or that they produce. And so when I click on this link, you'll see here that Evernote is available for Mac, and it knows it has this kind of at the top because I'm using a Mac right now, so it's context sensitive. And then also it's available for Windows, but then down here you'll see that it also has mobile and tablet support. So it's available on the Apple App Store, it's available on the Google Play Store, and the Windows Store. So all three of those mobile platforms are supported by Evernote. And then you'll see down here they have other applications as well that they create that you can download. And so Sketch is a tool for creating screen captures and then annotating on those screen captures. And you'll see here that it's supported on the Mac, on Windows, on Apple iOS, so the mobile platform, and Google Android, the mobile platform, and then also the Windows mobile phone. Scannable is a tool for scanning documents that can then load into Evernote, and it is currently only available on Apple iOS. And then there's the Web Clipper, so this is a web-based tool, and Evernote is accessible via the web, so you can log into evernote.com and access all of your files, your notes, and things like that that are in Evernote, as well as the client application. And the Web Clipper is a plugin for the web browser that allows you to clip pages as you're kind of navigating the internet. And it's available across the four major web browsers. So Safari, Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Penultimate is a tool for handwriting notes that then sync into Evernote, and it's currently only available on the iPad. And then we have Evernote Food. It's a tool they have for documenting food that you eat, and it's only available on two mobile devices, so Apple iOS and Google Android. So that's Evernote. That's how you can find information about Evernote and how it's accessible on multiple platforms. Next, we're going to move to Google Docs. So I just went to docs.google.com, and it takes us to the home page here. We can get information about Google Docs. What I'm going to do is click on the Help link in the upper right-hand corner. And what I'm interested in is settings and requirements, because we want to know what platforms we can use Google Docs on. So when I click on Settings and Requirements, I can click on System Requirements and Browsers, and you'll see here that it shows the operating systems that Google Docs are supported on. So Windows Vista XP 7 and 8. And then Apple's Mavericks, Mountain Lions, and Lion. Um, and so you can see here it's also accessible on mobile devices, so the Android and iOS platforms, but it doesn't show Windows, so Windows Mobile wouldn't be available. And then down here you'll see the browser requirements. So you can see it's supported on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, but not Windows Safari, and then Internet Explorer. And what I found, just as a tip, what I found is that Chrome is probably the best browser to use Google Docs with because it's also a Google product, and they interface with each other very well. So this just is a brief overview on how you can look for applications and look for the support requirements or the system requirements for those applications. To give you a better understanding of how cross-platform or cross-operating system or cross-browser that these applications are supported. So we'll see you next time.